Okay, here's eBay find number 2, or actually number 3. I don't know, he labeled it number 3. I don't need the label anymore. I'll take that off. Okay, great. So originally this is a 0.4 to 1.3 gigahertz amplifier. So let's pop the top off of this one. Only one screw on this one. And interesting. Took the wrong side off. So the top is the bottom. All the electrons fall out on this one. So let's take the other side off, which is the bottom. Let's take the bottom off. I usually have to pull the bail on these up. And is this going to come out? There it goes. Ah, there we go. Oh. So yeah. So let me move the camera. All right. We can see inside. This is a simple little supply over here. 2N3055 power transistor down there must be for the power for the amplifier. And this looks like it's just a voltage regulator board. This is just power supply. So from here over to there is just generic stuff. Power supply, transformer, all that stuff. That's just all generic stuff. The only thing this box really has a claim to fame is that little board there. So that's the amplifier. And it looks like a prototype. So the guy that I got this from used to work at the Santa Clara division of Hewlett-Packard, which see if I can take this off. I guess not. Which built a lot of test equipment. They built a lot of time and measurement equipment. It's famous for their counters. They made a lot of counters there. He was kind of a counter engineer. Microwave counters. There we go. Can we see that now? Let me change the focus to manual. Let's see if I can focus down on that little board. There we go. So that little board looks like a homebrew thing that somebody was playing with. And it's got a bunch of, look like homebrew connectors to make it go in there. And so somebody took this box, took the amplifier that was being used and was trying out a new amplifier. So maybe this box goes up way past its number on the outside. So maybe we can test this amplifier and figure out how, well, I don't have anything here that, I don't think I have anything here that goes above the gigahertz. So at least we can test it there. Anyway, I do have that little amplifier that I got from China that might just be a nice bolt in here. Or like I said, maybe this one's just fine. So, yeah. Looks pretty nice.